Hey dolls and gents, your girl is back with a new makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm so excited about this look. This is the look that never fails me. I have done a variation of this look for years now, and this is my current routine from start to finish. I do switch up my lip color quite a bit with this look. Sometimes I like to do a glossy lip, sometimes I like to do matte, sometimes I like to do nude, and sometimes I want a bold lip. So I have to give a big shout out to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring this video. They have recently become a monthly subscription and they are expanding their range of products. So you can now get a monthly subscription of liquid lipsticks, and I'm so excited about this because I love lip colors, especially liquid lipsticks. If you are going out, liquid lipsticks are definitely a must. The monthly subscription price is still the same. It's $29.95, and for the amount of products you're getting, you are definitely getting a great deal. I have a 30% off coupon for you to use. That will be in the top portion of the description box if this is your first time checking out Deck of Scarlet and subscribing. So yeah, this month you will get 3 liquid lipsticks with the subscription. And here are the 3 shades that you'll receive. One is a red tone, it's called Siren. The next shade is called Moody Mauve, and it's a pink mauve color. And then the last shade is Brunch Babe, which is a beautiful like salmon pink color. I actually decided to use one of their a la carte lipsticks, so you can purchase particular lipsticks on their website, and I am using this shade right here. This shade is called Slow Jams, and it's a gorgeous brown terracotta like nude color. Can we get into the shade? This shade looks absolutely gorgeous. All these shades look great on deeper skin tones. I feel like the shades are very unique in the sense of I don't feel like I have any of these shades in my collection. These shades are very different from the shades that I normally pick out for myself. Y'all know I go for like super nude or like baby pink. Those are just like my top shades. But every single one of these shades complements my skin tone really great. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Click that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a video. You will be the first one to watch my video. If y'all want to see how I achieve this full look right here from start to finish, I'm gonna walk you through every single step. You know what to do. Stay tuned.
You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh, yeah. Late night. Going out, we throwed up in my Benz like going 75. All my friends, yeah, they out there living this life. See my mama happy now cause I just bought her this house. I'm balling it out, living this life, I'm feeling this hype. Ooh, I'm flexing with my doobie in my pool. Smoking on that shit, it makes me cool. Drinking that tequila, make cool. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Yeah. Now you wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. You wanna know how I got so dope, losing my control. Yeah. You wanna know why I got so cold, got me feeling old. Oh, yeah. I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right. Yeah. Oh. I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah. Whoa, I'm living this life, I'm feeling this hype, I'm doing it right, yeah. Oh, living this life, feeling this hype, doing it right, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? You've been away way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cash else, I just wanted him to lose you. Now it's like damn, puffing on the bush at Uncle Sam's. Who'd have thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down. Calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something's wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Yeah, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? You lie. Why do you lie? Why? Why do you lie? Oh, you lie. Why do you lie? You lie. Oh, why? Why? You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. Yeah. Look at all this moolah. I got cash now. And a bunch of books in my lap now. All up in your face like a front page. Going through your place like a front gate. Gatorade, I sip it till I fade away. Mix it with the vodka, then I'm A-okay. Yeah, looking for that green, I wanna radiate. Then sail away like it's 1988. You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. Yeah. Don't nobody know while I'm on the road. All up in Japan, running it on my own. Hop off that phone, get it while I can. Picking up all them riches, I be digging for that gold. 24, yeah, now I'm ready for it. Drop that thing like I went smoking on the corner. All my homies, they done told me I'm a stoner. That's some jelly-ish, but I don't look like Homer. You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You just leave this up to me. Take a trip to the stars, I can show you. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world, we can go through it all. like what's up on the streets and kept the bag in my pocket like a rollie. Yeah, I go slowly, but only when I pretend. All these people growing up, they wanna be us. Yeah, got me tripping like a Prius. I don't even know a lot of people selling pizzas these days. Check up for the sound of these waves. Yeah, you was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, 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 just ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, 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 just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball right now. Think that I might just ball right now. Ball right now. Ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ball out. You was wrong, I was right. Didn't take long just to make it for life. Nah, nah, nah. I think that I might just ball out now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just ball right now. Ooh, baby, on that track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Oh, nah, please don't make that call. Me don't want no cause, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on that track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Ooh, boy, driving by the shore, looking for some more, and my Rari going raw. Want you to work, I heard about your resume. Skirt, open up the sesame. Work, oh no, no, don't pressure me. Yeah, ooh, yeah, roll out with the referee. Curb, yeah, yeah, I'm turning left now. Burn, yeah, the rubber's on my chest now. First, no, you're not the first one. They done told me I'm the worst one. Yeah, always the pedal to the floor, yeah, I'm Martin Senna. And I don't know what's in my trunk, I'm always front and center. Drive that Rari down the coast, yeah, rocking my new road, yeah. Always on the road and I don't need no sweater. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Ooh, nah, please don't make that call. Me don't want no cause, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in the zoom, zoom. Ooh, driving by the shore, looking for some more, in my Rari going raw. Want you to race, I cannot do this solo. Pace, yeah, I'm speeding in my polo. Wait, no, I don't have time for slow-mo. I've been doing this all my life just for the Lolo. I'm in the shower, I've been sober for an hour. When you see me pour up, I need something to devour. Yeah, I'll play it louder. Yeah, I do a crosser. Yeah, I'm doing better, all my haters give me power. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Oh no, please don't make that call. Me don't want no cause, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try to catch me when I pull up in the zoom, zoom. Ooh, driving by the shore, looking for some more, in my Rari going raw, raw. Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road, I'm headed home, I'm where that at, I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, sexing with the bill.
I really appreciate all of your continued love and support. Y'all are super bomb. Y'all have been rocking with me for years. I have been on YouTube for 10 years now. I actually missed my 10-year anniversary, but it's all good. I started doing YouTube videos in February 2009, and it's just insane that I've been doing this for 10 years, and a lot of you have been rocking with me for all of that time. What the heck? Time is just going by so fast, and I've been loving every minute of it. I know I don't post as often as I used to. I am going to get myself back on a filming schedule for this year because I know my videos are just like, y'all don't know when your girl is gonna post, and that's not cool. Y'all need to know when I'm gonna upload, so I'm working on that for you guys. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think about this look. Would you rock it? How would you wear this look? Because I love receiving all of your feedback, whether positive or constructive. I just love hearing from you guys. If you're not following me on my other social media, be sure to follow me on Snapchat. I'm on there the most. Also, check out my Instagram and my Facebook. I do go live and do makeup tutorials on Facebook, so you don't want to miss those. All my links will be in the description box down below, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Bye. By the way, have you checked out my last video? If you haven't, you know the drill. Click the box right here. I know some of you say there's no video, there's no box here. I don't know why some of you see it and some of you don't. If you're watching on mobile and you're watching on your computer, you should be able to see the video. If not, I've got a little secret for you. Go to my profile, click videos, and it will show you all my latest ones, and you could just catch up on them. Shh, don't tell anyone else. It's a secret though.